What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 5 of a series where we're creating a beat battle beat from scratch. In the last video, we started doing arrangement and putting our ideas together for our effects and different fills that we're going to be doing in this episode. So in this episode, we're going to be doing some different effects and fills and having a lot of fun with that. So let's jump right into this. Alright guys, so let's start putting some of these ideas to the test. I think what I'm feeling right off the bat is starting right here before the drop, because this is probably going to be the best part. Okay, so we're probably going to cut everything off right here. Okay, so we put in here that we're going to do like a reverb thing. We're going to do a reverse kick, and we're going to do a transition to go with the reverse kick. So let's do the reverse kick right now. I'm going to add an audio track here. I'm going to go into my drum kit, and in the kick section I actually have a bunch of like reverse kicks that are already done for you. Alright, my favorite one is this whirly one right here, so this is the one that we're going to use. I'm just going to chop it off right here. Alright, we're going to add another audio track as well, and then we're going to do some kind of like a transition. So we'll get a transition out of this pack as well here. Okay, now let's add this reverb in. So we're going to put this on the lead here. Any reverb will work for this. I'm going to use vintage verb. So we're going to go into the Valhalla vintage verb here, and then we're going to go into the mix, and that's what we're going to modulate. So when the drop actually comes in, it's going to be at 0. And it's probably going to be 0 up until this point. Curve this in a little bit. Let's listen to it now. We're going to add a little utility here and modulate this gain for the end of this so that it's not as loud when it comes down. Alright, so let's start adding some stuff to the beginning here before the drop. First thing I'm going to do is just throw my tag in here really quick.
Fearless, run it up.
Alright, I'm going to start going through some of the random drum packs that I have and find some like FX or different sounds that we can put in the intro to make it different.
Fearless, run. Fearless, run it up.
I'm thinking about putting like a little delay on this. Alright, we'll have this do a ping pong delay so it bounces from left to right.
Fearless, run it up.
We're going to turn the dry wet all the way up on this one, and we're going to do our little group effect here and create a chain. That'll be the dry one, we'll have a wet one, and we'll mix it in here.
Fearless, run it up. Fearless, run it up. Fearless, run it up.
Well, we're going to pan these a little bit.
Fearless, run it up.
Now I want to get some kind of like ambiance or noise that can kind of just fizzle out. We're going to have to turn this down quite a bit. So.
Fearless, run it up. Fearless, run it up.
Let's see if we can find some kind of drum fill or drum roll that kind of sounds good and can extend the length of this. Okay, so I found this little fill here by Cashmere. So we're going to chop this up a little bit and get it to sound better. Alright, so I ended up taking a different sample and chopping it up just a little bit here, and this is what it sounded like now. You're gonna use an Ableton drum bus. Could even throw an R bass on here. See how that sounds. I'm also going to use Ableton's Vocoder. I like some of the effects you can get from this. Put on Enhance and put on Modulator here. Alright, now I just want to do some volume modulation on this. Now I want to add like some kind of a bell or something that hits like right here on the first and right here. Alright, let's listen to what we have now from the start.
Fearless, run it up.
Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this one. In the next one, we're going to be adding the effects and different things to the actual drop. So now that we have the intro and the pre-drop ready to go, now we can boom start attacking our drop in the next one and really getting this beat going. So smash the like button if you like this one. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading daily videos that you're not going to want to miss out on. And besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.